Hello everyone, in today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add a video file in OBS Studio step by step. Let's get started. First, open OBS Studio. In the Sources box, click the plus icon. Select Media Source. Now you'll see two options. You can create a new media source or add an existing one. Choose Create New, give it a name like Intro Video or Background Clip, then click OK. Click Browse and select the video file from your computer. Now configure the settings. Check Loop if you want the video to repeat. Check Restart Playback when a source becomes active if needed. You can uncheck Use Hardware Decoding if you face issues. Then click OK. The video will appear now on the screen. Because I'm currently recording with OBS, you can actually see it showing up live. You can move, resize, and position it however you like. That's it. Your video is now added to OBS Studio. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.